to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I'm making a rice pudding. Not any kind of rice pudding, a Nutella rice pudding that I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Evaporated milk, condensed milk, rice, 1 cinnamon stick, Nutella, regular milk, and vanilla extract. Let's get started because this comes out delicious and I know that you're going to love it. I have 2 cups of boiling water. I'm going to add my cinnamon stick and I'm going to add 1 cup of rice. I'm gonna cover it and it's gonna cook for at least 20 minutes until the rice is nice and soft, and I'll show you that step. So I'm gonna cover it and I'll see you back, my friends, in a little bit. It has been cooking for about 20 minutes, as you could see. The rice have already absorbed the water. Now is the perfect time to remove our cinnamon stick. Okay, we're gonna remove it and we're gonna start adding our milks. We're gonna start with our evaporated milk. Okay, and we're gonna move it really good. We're gonna add our condensed milk. Just make sure that you incorporate it completely so it dissolves all in the rice. Okay, at this moment I'm going to add my regular milk, which is 2 cups. Okay, and we're just gonna be mixing it so it doesn't start sticking to the bottom. We're gonna cook it for another 10 minutes before I start adding my Nutella. When it starts simmering, I'll show you that step, my friends. I want to show you this step. When it starts boiling this way, we are going to still continue mixing, but this is the perfect time to add our vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon. Okay, and let's incorporate it completely. Okay, now it's time to add our Nutella. Okay, it's nice and bubbling. This is the time when we're gonna add our Nutella inside. My Nutella has been in room temperature for about 3 hours. So it's gonna dissolve nice and beautifully. This rice pudding comes out so delicious and so sweet. It's just amazing. Once you prepare it at home, I know that you're gonna continue making this Nutella rice pudding, my friends. Just make sure you do not leave because it could start sticking on the bottom. When everything has dissolved, when your Nutella has dissolved completely, then we're gonna taste to see if it needs a little bit of sugar. I wanna show you this step, my friends. Look how delicious this looks. Remember to continue mixing so it doesn't stick on the bottom. Now that it's nice and boiling, we're gonna cook it for just 10 more minutes and this pudding is done, okay? So let's mix 10 more minutes. I can't wait to taste this Nutella Rice Pudding. Look how delicious this looks, my friends. Okay, I'll see you back when this is done. Okay, my friends, my Nutella rice pudding is done. Okay, I'm going to turn it off and I'll see you in about 20 minutes. Look how nice and bubbling this is. Nice and chocolatey. With this Nutella rice pudding. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Look how delicious this looks. I can't wait to taste it. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. The rice nice and soft. The taste of the Nutella is so strong and delicious on this rice. It's just amazing. Excuse me. Nice and creamy, yet not sugary. I added a little bit of whipped cream, and this dessert is just amazing, my friends. Excuse me. I know that once you try it, you will continue having this pudding, Nutella pudding. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my Nutella rice pudding. Bye-bye.